Meanwhile, back at the bad trade, it is 2:30 p.m. on Monday, December 8th, coming to you live from the snowfields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Update on the trade that has been making my butt stink all day. Got stopped out of trade number one for, I believe, I don't know, around an $1,800 loss. No, actually, if you look at the two, maybe a $1,700 loss, because you can see the daily P&L is at minus 2875, and then the open P&L is at minus 1200. And we currently have 6 contracts at a cost basis of 68.47. Hey, 47. That number rings a bell. Yes, it does, because I've been talking about it. What is this? Oh, don't even start looking at natural gas. What are you doing? You're crazy. Let's go here. Beginning of the day, if you saw the first video, I was looking for 77 to be visited, likely 63 flushed, 69 flushed. I didn't really think we're going to get a bunch of action, but we certainly did. And I got in the way of that falling knife once again. Bump, bump, bum. So this is what we're currently dealing with. We keep bumping our heads up against that 47 after flushing aggressively through it all the way down to, looks like we touched 35. Hello. Now we are back up to 44.25. We have to get above this 47, stay above that 47 in order to rip up through 51, 56, and hopefully retest 63 before this trade makes me lose sleep tonight. I won't lose sleep tonight. I'm down more than I really want to be at this moment, of course, but we got a stop loss in. Hopefully it will not be triggered. And in the meantime, looking for that 47, the elusive 47. Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Do a little of this. Too much. So you see pre-market, we were up here and we talked pre-market if you watched the first video of today, and then elevator down. I thought we were going to be stop, once we came down to the 69, I was started to get involved in some action, followed it all the way down, got stopped out, lost the 17, 1800, whatever that was, and certainly thought, hey, we're done now. Whoa, all the way down to 50. That's got to be it, right? Was trading contracts back and forth, rode it up, sold a couple on the way up, and then took the train all the way back downtown to Chinatown again. And it's still got that downward pressure on it, as you can tell by the movement here. So that is my current plan, looking for 47 and then a boom up to a couple more levels through. But these red candles are really, really bringing me down on this day. So any lessons I learned? Again, you got to be maybe a little bit more patient. You be willing to miss a trade in order to not have to fight a trade all the way through the hours of the chop. Chop, 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 broccoli. Chop suey is what they're trying to make of me today. And the chop for me is usually around 11 a.m. to about 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, I've been battling these trades the whole time with not a lot of activity in the market. So waiting for hopefully some positive end of day action. It could easily be that I get stopped out because the big boys, the major players, the institutions, the hedge funds, the family offices, all those that like to whipsaw us all around and take our money, could be just trying to set up the downside for the Wednesday announcement, and then they grab all the bags and head on up and make all their money back. In the meantime, I'm sitting with my pockets pulled out and just moths in my wallet. So that's what we're hoping to avoid. We'll watch this number. Hopefully we don't crash back through 41. If at all, a quick turnaround, but I got to see this recapture, this 68.47. And then we move up from there according to what it's done for more than a week now. That 47 has been an important number. So that's what the current plan is. Oh, all the way down to 40.75. How dare you? But, if you want to see things, you can. You just look at this and you're like, Hey, that's a bull flag we got there, right? And who knows? Looks like, are we trying to video stopping again? That's some more technical difficulty.